I have been around in the world of gunpla for more than 10 years. I know I am not that good, but here is several useful tips. Maybe not the best method, but this is what I usually do when I build my gunpla. Enjoy with us, Alice Kingdom.
Hello, this is me, Mr. Alice. I have been doing Gunpla since 2011 and I will share all about Gunpla with you.
For the last step in buffering your gunpla, actually you can use plain paper. Just rub it on your part and you will get that shiny part like virgin ass. Ever confused in modifying and attaching part to another part? Just use a neodymium magnet. No need to be drilled, no need to create a new hole and peg. Simply just stick it. And it will be easier later when it will be painted. Wow, magic. Get annoyed by those annoying white mark or stretch marks? It's easy to fix. Just apply a little plastic cement, wet until dry, and sandpaper. Those problem now gone. Magic. Want to paint the gunpla you have assembled and have trouble opening the part? Next time, don't forget to loosen the female part of the peg and cut diagonally male part of the peg. It will loosen the part a little. This is also apply if you want to make it easier to assemble a third-party model kit. Surprise? Having trouble making the same line pattern for opposite part? Just use masking tape or clear tape to make a template. Now you have two designs that are exactly the same. Simple but amazing. Having trouble getting a very shiny and glossy paint finish? Pour the thinner on your paintbrush cup which still contains the remaining paint of the same color. Mix well. Just spray on the part until it looks shiny. Remember not to overdo it. It takes practice to do this, and wait dry. You will be amazed at the result. Your plastic cement gets thickens and it's difficult to use? Prepare an extra thin version. Mix in the cement that has thickened to dilute it.
Surprise?
Bruh.
Do you feel the brush on the cement is too big and often get in place where it shouldn't be? Simple. Just replace it with a brush from extra thin cement. Now you have more control over the area to be applied with.
Bruh.
Have you ever experienced regret or wrong in giving color on Gunpla? Just prepare a Mr. Hobby thinner, or you can also use the leveling version. I have never tried anything other than this type, so don't take the risk. Prepare the empty container. Pour in the thinner and the part you want to discolor. And clean. It is faster than dissolving with isopropyl alcohol and is also safe for plastic. But don't try this on ABS material. ABS is not suitable for use in this way. And of course, the remaining thinner can still be used to dissolve paint on other parts. And the last tip for you on this video. Just enjoy the hobby. Here I only help you in actualizing your imagination on Gunpla. Just do what you love, because this hobby is to be enjoyed. And that's several tips from me. I hope you like it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. Alice greeting.